Hey guys, Brian again. So this is the Bhytaki 16-piece acne removal kit. And this is what it looks like. We haven't used a ton of these things here, but we've used a few of them. It's got this contraption here. I don't know the names of all these, but I'm assuming this you can get kind of pressed down against the skin here and then pull up if you have an ingrown hair. And then you have this tool here. Now this is interesting because it has a flat end like this, and you can press against the skin. If the skin is the bottom of the screen, you can press against the skin like that. I'm guessing the pimple will go through this hole, and you can kind of press and even pop it. They have these little sharp items like this here. You can see through the plastic. So with the sharp items, I guess you could pop something if you press against it, and the blackhead comes through this. There's a ton of items. This is kind of nice because we only use a few of these items. We've had a few blackheads we were messing with, and this is what it looks like here. It comes with all these. It's nice because it's individually wrapped. So I would still use, I have a alcohol prep pad here. I would use that before using any of these items for sure. The little acne removers and stuff to pop pimples and stuff like that. Again, just be mindful to, when you're doing this, use sanitation